Let's cover environmental affairs. Project Great Indian Bustard adds 3 chicks. Project Great Indian Bustard or Project Bustard was launched by CM of Rajasthan on 5 June 2013 to conserve the critically endangered. Critically endangered is the IUCN status of Great Indian Bustard. Godawan is its local name and Ardiotis nigriceps its scientific name. Great Indian Bustard is the state bird of Rajasthan. India at its 100th Ramsar site. Jayaprakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary, also known as Surhatal, in Balia district of UP. With Surhatal, UP's Ramsar tally rises to 13. Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary as India's 99th Ramsar site. It is located in Aligarh district and it was the 12th Ramsar site of state. Tamil Nadu has 20 Ramsar sites, largest in India, and UP has 30. And this is the locations of Ramsar sites state wise. तो पढ़ते हैं चलो. Jammu and Kashmir, there are 5 Ramsar sites in Jammu and Kashmir. One Wular Lake, Kera Wetland, Surinsar Mansar Lake, Shalbog Wetland and Conservation Reserve, Haigam Wetland Conservation. Ladakh, Zomariri and Zokar Wetland. जो का मतलब होता है लेक. हिमाचल प्रदेश, पोंग डैम, चंदरताल वेटलैंड और रेणुका वेटलैंड. उत्तराखंड, असम कंजर्वेशन रिजर्व. सिक्किम, काचोबदारी वेटलैंड. यूपी में 13 हैं. 1 परगंगा रिवर, हैदर वेटलैंड, बखीरा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, समसपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी, पार्वती अर्गा बर्ड सेंचुरी, समन बर्ड सेंचुरी, सूर सरोवर, सांडी बर्ड सेंचुरी, नवाबगंज बर्ड सेंचुरी, सरसई नावर झील, पटना बर्ड सेंचुरी, शेखा लेक बर्ड सेंचुरी एंड जयप्रकाश नारायण बर्ड सेंचुरी. बिहार, कावरताल वेटलैंड, नागी बर्ड सेंचुरी, नक्टी बर्ड सेंचुरी, गोकुल रिजर्वोयर, उदयपुर लेक एंड गोगाबील लेक. झारखंड में एक ही है, उधवा लेक बर्ड सेंचुरी. असम, दीपोर बील. मणिपुर, लोकटक लेक. त्रिपुरा, रुद्रसागर लेक. मिजोरम, आला वेटलैंड. वेस्ट बंगाल में है सुंदरवन वेटलैंड एंड ईस्ट कैलकाटा वेटलैंड. उड़ीसा, चिलिका लेक, सतकोसिया गॉर्ज, भीतरकनिका मैनग्रोव, हीराकुंड रिजर्वोयर, तंपारा लेक, अंसुपा लेक. आंध्र प्रदेश में है कुलेरू लेक. तमिलनाडु में सबसे ज्यादा है. देयर आर 20 रामसर साइट्स इन तमिलनाडु. फर्स्ट, गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार मरीन बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. 2 पॉइंट कैलिमेयर वाइल्ड लाइफ इन बर्ड सेंचुरी, पिचावरम मैनग्रोव, पल्लीकरनई मार्श रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट, वेल्लोड बर्ड सेंचुरी फॉरेस्ट, कुंथाकुलम बर्ड सेंचुरी, करिकिली बर्ड सेंचुरी, उधाया मार्थांडापुरम बर्ड सेंचुरी, वेदांतंगल बर्ड सेंचुरी, वेम्बनूर वेटलैंड कॉम्प्लेक्स, चित्रांगुड़ी बर्ड सेंचुरी, वाडुवूर बर्ड सेंचुरी, कांजीनकुलम बर्ड सेंचुरी, सुचिंद्रम थिरूर वेटलैंड कॉम्प्लेक्स, कराईवेती बर्ड सेंचुरी, लॉन्गवुड शोला फॉरेस्ट रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट, रायन बर्ड सेंचुरी, काजुवेली बर्ड सेंचुरी, सक्कराकोट्टई बर्ड सेंचुरी, थेरथंगल बर्ड सेंचुरी. केरला, वेम्बनाड कोल वेटलैंड, अष्टमूडी लेक, षष्टमकोट्टा लेक. कर्नाटका, रंगनाथिट्टू बर्ड सेंचुरी, अनकसमुद्र बर्ड कंजर्वेशन रिजर्व, अघनाशिनी एस्चुरी. 4 मगदी केरे कंजर्वेशन रिजर्व. गोवा, नंद लेक. महाराष्ट्र, नंदूर मडमेश्वर, लोनार लेक एंड थानी क्रीक. छत्तीसगढ़, कोपरा रिजर्वोयर. एमपी, भोज वेटलैंड, साख्य सागर, सिरपुर वेटलैंड, यशवंत सागर, तावा रिजर्वोयर. गुजरात, नल सरोवर बर्ड सेंचुरी, थोल लेक, वडावन वेटलैंड, खिजड़िया बर्ड सेंचुरी, चारी धाम. राजस्थान, सांबर लेक, क्योलादेव बर्ड सेंचुरी, खीचन वेटलैंड, मेनार वेटलैंड कॉम्प्लेक्स, सिलीसेड लेक. हरियाणा, भिंडावास वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, सुल्तानपुर नेशनल पार्क. पंजाब, ब्यास कंजर्वेशन रिजर्व, हरिकी लेक, रोपर, केशवपुर मयामी कम्युनिटी रिजर्व, कांजली, नांगल wildlife sanctuary. These are the 100 Ramsar sites of India. So total Ramsar sites हैं हमारे यहाँ 100. State having most number of Ramsar sites, तमिलनाडु 20. Largest wetland है हमारा सुंदरबन. Smallest है रेणुका wetland हिमाचल प्रदेश. First wetland under Ramsar Convention in India, Chilika Lake and Keoladeo in 1981. Namo oxygen parks were installed across national capital under the initiative of Ek Ped Maa Ki Naam campaign. E85 fuel rollout in India. Andaman and Nicobar Islands set Guinness World Records at Swaraj Deep. Earlier name of Swaraj Deep was Havelock Island. So the first achievement was underwater unfolding of the Indian tricolor, largest flag unfold underwater, and second achievement for tallest human stack underwater. First international conference on transitioning away from fossil fuels. India's first satellite tagged Ganges soft shell turtle. It is an endangered species released into the Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve in Assam. Mizoram has launched Ginger Mission. India ranks third globally in renewable energy installed capacity as per the Renewable Capacity Statistics 2026 released by International Renewable Energy Agency. The country recorded a total non-fossil fuel capacity of 283.46 gigawatt as of March 31, with renewable alone contributing 274.68 gigawatt. Generation from electricity generation from fossil fuels 78%, अभी भी 70% हमारी फॉसिल फ्यूल से ही होती है, जिसमें अभी भी 60.7% कोल थर्मल पावर जनरेशन ही है हमारे यहाँ. जनरेशन फ्रॉम नॉन फॉसिल फ्यूल्स 29.2%, जिसमें विंड 5.7, सोलर एनर्जी 9.5, बायो एंड अदर्स 1.6, हाइड्रो 9.4. ऐसे India's first green methanol production plant will be developed at Deen Dayal Port Authority, Kandla, Gujarat. COP 15 of Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species was held in Campo Grande, Brazil, and its theme was Connecting Nature to Sustain Life. COP 16 will be held in Bonn, Germany in 2029. It will coincide with the 50th anniversary of Conservation of Migratory Species. Bonn is the city where the treaty was signed in 1979. IQ Air World Air Quality Report released by IQ Air. World's most polluted cities by annual average particulate matter 2.5 concentration. So Loni, India is the world's most polluted city. थर्ड प्लेस पे भी हमारे यहाँ की बरनी घाट है. फोर्थ पे है दिल्ली. कंट्री और रीजन वाइज में इंडिया इज एट 6th पोजीशन. रीजनल कैपिटल सिटी रैंकिंग न्यू दिल्ली मोस्ट पॉल्यूटेड कंट्री है वर्ल्ड में, सॉरी कैपिटल है. इंडियाज नेशनल रिपोजिटरी फॉर डीप सी फोना, सेंटर फॉर मरीन लिविंग रिसोर्सेज एंड इकोलॉजी, कोची, केरला एज अ नेशनल रिपोजिटरी. Project Him Sarovar, it is a water security initiative of the Ladakh administration. It has been designed for Ladakh's cold desert conditions where life is a water is a lifeline. Botswana cheetah translocation to India birth new cubs. तो ये जो बोत्सवाना से चीता आए थे वो इंट्रोड्यूस हुए थे कूलू नेशनल पार्क में, जो कि एमपी में है. और गांधी सागर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी जो है यहाँ पे अभी एडिशनल हैबिटेट बनाने की बात चल रही थी. State of India's Environment 2026 report released by Center for Science and Environment and Down to Earth magazine. India submits 7th report to CBD. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Year End Review 2025. Key initiative reforms and outcomes. So, Ek Ped Maa Ki Naam, plantation capacities were digitally tracked via the Meri Life portal. Forest and tree cover status, India and global. ISFR 2023 report 25. In total forest and tree cover in India is 25.17% of its geographical area. Forest cover हमारे यहाँ 21.76 and tree cover 3.41. As per FAO, India ranks 9th globally in forest area. and it retains third position worldwide in annual net forest gain. New tiger reserve added, Madhav Tiger Reserve in MP. DNA profiling of captive elements via गज सूचना ऐप. ये ऐप गज सूचना पूछ लिया जाता है क्या होता है. IBCA launched in April 23 for conservation of 7 big cat species globally. बहुत है. India's NDC progress, emission intensity of GDP reduced by 36%. Non-fossil electricity installed capacity exceeded 50% in June 2025. Additional carbon sink created 2.29 billion tons. MISTRI program is for mangroves. 16th session of International Renewable Energy Agency Assembly was concluded in Abu Dhabi, UAE, and its theme was Powering Humanity, Renewable Energy for Shared Prosperity. India's first indigenous pollution control vessel, named Samudra Pratap, was built by Goa Shipyard Limited. UNFCCC COP 2030 held in Belém in Amazon region. In parallel, COP 23 Global Climate Action Agenda operationalized is this implementation turned through a four-step activation cycle: coordination, measure, showcase, scale. COP 30's implementation shift and Belém package. Belém package अभी हुआ था. Mutirao, a Brazilian term, implies the community coming together for shared work, similar in spirit to India's concept of Shramdan. पूछ लेंगे मोतीराव टर्म का मीन क्या है एमसीक्यूज में. तो there is an article 9.1 of Paris Agreement in the in which developed countries shall provide financial resources to developing countries. ये पूछ सकते हैं कि आर्टिकल 9.1 क्या है. A 2-year climate finance work program was launched. Tropical Forest Forever facility was launched. Mitigation and transition, the Belém Forex package and sectoral scaling to quadruple the use of sustainable fuels by 2035, and it will be tracked by IEA, International Energy Agency. Belém action mechanism adopted to support a socially fair transition away from fossil fuels. Belém Health Action Plan to build climate resilient health systems to tackle heat waves and vector-borne diseases. It is world's first international climate adaptation plan dedicated entirely to health. COP 31 will be held in Turkey in 2026. Emission Gap Report 2025 was released by UNEP. Indian context में India wants to achieve net zero by 2070. India's updated NDCs submitted in 2022 include targets such as 45% reduction in emissions intensity of GDP by 2030 and about 50% cumulative electric power installed capacity from non-fossil fuel sources by 2030. So it has been achieved by India already. Global Forest Resource Assessment Report 2025 was released by FAO. India's first Digong Conservation Reserve, located in Park Bay, Tamil Nadu. IUCN World Conservation Congress 2025 was held in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Tribal Art Exhibition Silent Conservation held at India Habitat Center, New Delhi. Ramsar Convention COP 15 was held in Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe, and its theme was protecting wetlands for our common future. India's city of Indore and Udaipur were given the wetland city status under the Wetland City Accreditation Program. India's first coal desert biosphere reserve in Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh. It included in UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves, and by which India now has 13 biosphere reserves in MAB network. Sundarbans now India's second largest tiger reserve, and first is Nagarjuna Sagar Srisalam Tiger Reserve in Andhra Pradesh. PM Modi inaugurates the Green Mobility Initiative in Hansalpur, Gujarat. The Maitri-One Initiative, a theme-based urban forest dedicated to nurturing generations through Mother Nature-inspired green efforts, would be developed in an area of 750 acres in Aravali Hill area along the Gurugram-Faridabad road. Project Samudryan. Recently, two Indian aquanauts, Jatinder Pal Singh and R. Ramesh, conducted deep ocean dives into Atlantic Ocean aboard Francis submersible Nautile as part of preparatory exercises for the Samudryan project. Samudryan is India's first manned deep sea mission under Deep Ocean Mission. Deep Ocean Mission of Ministry of Earth Sciences, which envisages the development of Matsya 600, and Matsya 600 is the submersible. Global Wetland Outlook was released. Bonn Climate Change Conference 2025 under UNFCCC. Global Tiger Day was observed on 29th July, and its theme was securing the future of tigers with indigenous people and local communities at the heart. Hornbill Conservation Center at Tamil Nadu Forest Department in Coimbatore district. National Red List Roadmap IUCN World Conservation Congress 2025. India launched its National Red List Roadmap and Vision 25 to 30. The Red List Roadmap represents India's structured response to the urgent need for species documentation and threat assessment. The roadmap has been developed in collaboration with IUCN, Geological Survey of India, Botanical Survey of India, and the Center for Species Survival. We have already covered that. Thank you. Bye.